Tampa Bay steps in over the line. There's Alex Killorn onto the backhand, shovels this one in. Seth Jones chips it back where it came from, comes out in the middle for Hagel. The former Hawk looks, shoots, and Mrazek makes the stop. Sends it back for Seth Jones, and that is cleared outside the blue line. Now a chance for Chicago. They drop it back. Dickinson with a drive, a one-timer, and Elliott has got it with a glove. That missed by inches. And it's cleared out, and here's a short-handed break for the Lightning. Killorn in, waits, shoots, and he's stopped by Mrazek. After getting injured late in the first period, we showed you the replay. We might revisit that, but right now the captain is not out there for the Lightning.
So Taylor Raddysh has had a couple of looks in this game. It's the first shot by Tyler Johnson. Nice save by Elliott, but then Gutman getting to it first and movement. Raddysh gets into position on that short side. The Lightning playing zone and don't man up quickly enough in front of their net. See, there's guys back, but they don't sort it out quickly enough. Who's going where? Brayden Point is there, but he doesn't have anybody.
Career highs for him. Here he comes. Shot right on. Elliott makes the save, and the Blackhawks get the rebound. Worked across to Zaitsev. He'll wide and shoot. Stopped again by Elliott. Another drive, and that is also stopped at Hill. That one from Cole Gutman.
With a lot of movement in the offensive zone, and the Lightning not enough movement. And the team that has the most movement, once their shots taken, you're going to get to the...
Chernak. Kucherov centers it. Went off a Chicago stick, and now it's picked up again by Paul. Ball around the net, centers it up for Kucherov. Mrazek got a piece. Where is it? It's still loose in a slot.
Forwards now mix and match. Whoever's playing well will get extra time.
Up top for Sergachev. His drive. Stopped by Mrazek. Rebound for Eyssimont. Wrap around! And he wrapped it too far around. Mikey Eyssimont looking for his first goal as a member of the Lightning, but it stays scoreless. Here is Hedman, his shot into traffic. Bounces back to Sergachev. Sergachev makes one little move, gets it away to Hedman. Hedman hangs on, in front he goes. Rebound, scores! And it's points again. 1-0 Tampa Bay.
And he doesn't give up until it goes in. Braden circling in the slot, following the play, and then he's going to go to the net with it. He's always ready to shoot. Boy, what a nice little job there. He has to sort of half kick, half shoot this pass from Hedman, but then it doesn't go in. But he stays with it, and he makes sure he goes upstairs with it. Last game, it was off the goaltender's pad, and he had to kind of twirl it around the outside edge and stick it into the...
And the streaks he and Kucherov have put up this year, just been trying to keep track of them all.
They are hand in glove. Point and Kucherov are just so good together. I mean, they've worked on it for years. Their styles of play.
This one sent in from a sharp angle, goes right to Paul, and away he goes. Nick Paul steps in over the line, centers it, ends up with Eyssimont, snaps a shot. Janot was there as well, and now Perlick. Rister hits the post. Here's Hedman with a blast. Brayden Point with another chance in close, into the corner for Kucherov. Back to Point. Kucherov, Sergachev, Point shoots, saved by Mrazek as he's really battling there. Here's Kucherov on the drive, and another glove stop.
Gets on his backhand and just has it slapped away from him at the last second. Then Point gets another chance.
Sergachev around the boards, batted down the ice by Kucherov. Zaitsev advances the puck, and it's turned back up by Gutman. He'll leave it for Tyler Johnson. His shot stopped by Elliott. Gutman back to Raddysh. He scores! Taylor Raddysh comes back into Amalie Arena and gets one against his old team to tie the game. Over the net.
I think Permis maybe got a piece of that one, Dave.
I think he did. Anthony Steele centers it across. Scramble. Backhander just goes wide. That was Tyler Johnson. As all the former Bolts are trying to get in on the act here. Time is ticking away. Here's Kucherov. Kucherov muscled down on the back check by Kurashev. Got it in the corner for Hagel. Under front for Point. Oh, what a stop by Mrazek. Boris Tkachuk, some strong work. Got it back to the line. Caleb Jones mishandles it. Eyssimont trying to get away. And Seth Jones gets back in time. Now in behind the play, it's Kara. And Cernak. Cernak's got the rabbit punches going here, and Karras is trying to get his balance.
We'll have to get back to that in a minute.
Lightning came in with the second highest fight total in the NHL. They add to that. Back to the line. There's a drive from Perbix. Loose puck. Hagel turns. Saved by Mrazek.
From the outskirts and then rebounds, and it's no different here. Saved by Mrazek, but he can't hold on to it. And Hagel, who had been behind.
And chopped out by Chicago. They're on the ropes right now, trying to complete a change in the fly. Here comes Colton, flying in, centers it across, out in front, Columbus shot, Mrazek with another save. And he is the only reason that this game is still tied.
Shooting and retrieving here, getting shots to the net from everywhere. From distance, from inside the face-off circle, that's how it all ended. Dangerous shot from Victor Hedman earlier, but see the movement. Circular movements, guys moving.
Nikita Kucherov starts up, drops it off for Point. Right side, here comes Point. Curls back, kicks it back, Sergachev. Kucherov walks out, here's Point with a shot, he scores! Brayden Point buries it!
Brayden utilized the same soft area in the high slot that Hagel just had his chance on a couple of seconds ago. Shuffles over, backs up, and makes himself available. That's what he does so well when 86 gets the puck. Because when Kucherov gets it, you see all eyes go in his direction. Brayden knows well enough, I just got to find that spot. Catch and release, perfection.
Gets it to Sergachev. Sergachev just lifts this one down to take more time off the clock. Seth Jones with under 10 seconds remaining here. That's not going to work. One more shot for Hagel. Empty net. Bingo! That is going to do it.
It just wasn't going for him offensively for all the hard work that he puts in. Nice work by Alex Killorn. Killorn's well aware of that. He knows about his teammates, and he knows what it means just to be able.
We hit the horn as people in the building sing Sweet Caroline.